present this policy a best showcase among the class. NEP builds on 5 foundational pillars. As you know, the access, equity, quality, affordability, and accountability that has been aligned for sustainable development with the aims of transforming India, a vibrant knowledge society and a global knowledge superpower, by making both secondary and college education becoming more holistic, flexible, multidisciplinary. NEP talks about 21st century skills to promote collaborative learnings, creativity, communication skills, critical thinking, problem solving, and need to inculcate the experiential learning, which should be a core component in your pedagogy, the teaching learning process. This is very important. With the aims of bringing out a unique capability among all the children by ensuring equitable and universal access to the highest quality of education. In order to achieve the equitable and universal access to the highest quality of education for all, NEP has laid down various fundamental principles. Use of technology in one of these principles, those principles. Evaluations, all activities, this is to be used. This is one of the fundamental of the NEP 2020. So, the goal of NEP 2020 is to create a coherent and resilient system in education in India. You all are associated with CBSE. You might have performed as a various functionaries like examiners or center superintendents, practical examiner, or some other activities. So, being the part of CBSE, so I would like to share with the overview of the CBSE. So, CBSE is a National Board of School Education under the direct control of Ministry of Education, and the core business of CBSE is to prescribe the curriculum and syllabus for class 10 and 12, to prepare the marking scheme, sample question paper, and to give affiliation to secondary, senior secondary, and conduct class 10 and 12 examinations and giving certifications, and to promote professional development program for teachers enrichment, and also to organize various activities, enrichment activities for the students. So CBSE has taken many initiatives in the form of expression series, like Bir Khata, that is the 4th edition is going on, and then Arjabat Ganit Challenge, CBSE sports competitions, CBSE science exhibition, and then reading challenge. So these are the initiatives of the CBSE for giving an opportunity to the children to show their talent. And as you know, being a teacher, so whatever you have imparted the education in the yesteryear is become first redundant in nowadays. So this gives a lot of responsibility to all the stakeholders, so as to equip our children with skill of an emerging world with sensitive heart and creative mind. So this is very important. So being the teachers, you have a lot of responsibilities. It is the area of your expertise. You know your duties, what to do in the classrooms. And as per the NEP guidelines, it has been mandated to undergo at least 50-hour continuous professional development for every teachers every year to update your academic enrichment in the subject, to enhance your better understanding of curriculums, to update your broadened vision and perspectives, and to strengthen your efficacy in teaching competencies. So CBSE is organizing, is one of the major area of the CBSE to strengthen our teachers with skill and knowledge. Out of 50 hours, 25 hours should undergo under Center of Excellence, that is under jurisdiction of Guwahati, and 25 hours you can conduct in-house by calling the experts from institutions, various institutions, or any teacher trained by the COE. So that is very important, and this now training data has been stored digitally by the CBSE, which is collated with the Soros portal of the affiliations. So whenever any school apply for the affiliation, like it may be the section increase, or it may be the land increase or decrease, or it may be the extension affiliations, or it may be the double seat permissions, or it may be the upgradations, or anything. Now this training data is collated with the Soros portals. So if there is a shortfall of any teachers in doing the trainings, so there's CBSE will give some letter to you for giving a discrepancy to resolve it. So that is very important. Now, without wasting so much time, because the resource persons is supposed to give some important issues here. We'll share all this, how to teach in your classroom transaction process, because you must have a clear vision of roadmap, so that you can use your innovative teaching process to excel our students in mathematics. So I would like to wish best success to all of you for this workshops program, and we enlighten the future of our children. Thank you all.